Hello dear friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today's recipe is for salad lovers. We are going to make quick and simple salad with cherry tomatoes and baby spinach. The dressing is also going to be very simple, light, just with few ingredients. I love such light and healthy salads. I'm sure you're going to love it too. So let's proceed and make this cherry tomato salad. Simple and delectable cherry tomato salad. For this we will require baby spinach, cherry tomatoes, honey, apple cider vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, coarsely crushed black pepper, and salt. Now first let's mix the dressing. Take about 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. If you don't have this, you could use lemon juice also. Extra virgin olive oil, about 1 tablespoon. Honey, 1 tablespoon. About half teaspoon of black pepper. Make sure it is crushed coarsely. That really enhances the flavors. Salt to taste. Now using a small balloon whisk, mix everything very well. I love salads with such simple dressing. They are much lighter and healthier. Now mixing is done. Take another platter and spread the spinach leaves. If you don't have baby spinach, you could use any other salad leaves also, like lettuce or rocket leaves. Choice is yours. I have cut the cherry tomatoes into halves. If they are small, you can use them whole. If they are slightly bigger, you can cut them. Spread them over the spinach. Now mix this dressing and pour it over the salad. If you wish, you can add some herbs also, like basil leaves or rosemary. It's optional. Give it a nice mix. That's it, salad is ready. Dish it out in a serving platter and enjoy. I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives as well. You might find them interesting too.